Look who decided to join me on my YouTube channel.
Saw, dude. That's cute.
And there's a big thunderstorm coming in.
Watch all your plans sink right under you.
Yeah, I think might want to pause that. That's gonna be editing.
Yeah, that's what I do. Alright, if you guys watch my vlogs, I'm getting back into the grind of uploading again. Like I said, I've been having a full-time job, and M0T0ChevyBoy is back from Vegas.
What's up, dude?
So we're gonna get back onto the grind. And I got a surprise for you guys. You guys are gonna have to check it out once we get to Brush Custom Garage. Alright guys, so going to M0T0ChevyBoy's house didn't work out because of you know, some issues, but we got them worked out. And I was supposed to show you guys something special I was gonna bring to my channel. Most of you guys have seen my older videos that I have in my pickup. Stay tuned for that, because I have something special coming to my channel in regards to that. So I'm gonna throw in a couple of firework show. That was actually pretty cool. So here it is.
This is a battleground.
Don't you stop.
Throwing it back. Oh, that's really loud.
Oh!
Run away. Run the fuck away. Woo! Woo! Fun. If we had 2 center watches, it's perfect. I don't hear it.
I like that.
Woo! Finale. You got a spark on your shoe. I had one.
Oh my god.
Get back!
Woo! Yeah, let me see that.
So hopefully you guys liked all that. But stay tuned to my channel. M0T0ChevyBoy will be returning to my channel, hopefully, and if everything works out. So keep an eye on his channel too, because he just got a GoPro Hero just like mine, but it's a Hero Plus. He can control it from his phone and all that stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. And my other vlog, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have been watching my YouTube channel, I haven't uploaded in a while, so probably said that in the past videos. I'm going to get back into the grind of doing that, and get some Xbox One footage. I'll be playing that game, the original Zombies and World of Tanks. Trying to get in the grind of that. And my other video, I said I was going to upload Friday, which happens to be a few days ago. That video will be up also tonight, hopefully, if everything works out. And the night that you're seeing this video, or the day that you're seeing this video, it'll be up shortly after that one. So hope you guys enjoy the videos, and see you guys tomorrow. Hit that like button if you like this video. See you guys. Peace.